Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can jailbreak your iPhone passcode locked or disable. How you can jailbreak it if you have like this device. This is iOS 14.6. okay, if you don't know how to know it, you need to make a diagnostic, then you know your iOS. Okay, then this video was to help you how you can jailbreak your device even have passcode or disable mode. It work perfectly. This way work 100% and without problem. Okay, just so you need to make sure your device to make sure this way work perfectly and is not free, is paid. This is a way how you can jailbreak and how you can patch your device without problem. Okay, now we're gonna start how we can do that. Okay, let me turn off my device, then I will make my USB cable. Okay, I make my USB cable, hold of home button, then connect my USB cable. Now it will make in recovery mode. This is way how you can make in recovery mode for your iPhone. Just after making recovery mode, just we need to open checkra. You run your checkra now. Okay, do you see my is iPhone 6s Plus? Okay, then you click to start and you click start. Now for jailbreak this iPhone, we hold power button and on home button same time, and to make in diagnostic mode you hold volume up and power and home button. Okay, sorry, and home button. Okay, for iPhone 7 Plus, you hold volume up and volume down same time to make in diagnostic mode. Okay, this way work. If you make in diagnostic mode, then you patch with this USB patch. Okay, to start now, let us start. Okay, we're gonna click start and I will hold power button and home button same time. Okay, same time. I release power button, then keep to hold home button. Okay, if it will gonna start to jailbreak, I will hold volume up and home button same time to make in diagnostic mode. Make sure this way work and support for iPhone 6s till iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 Plus, 10X not supported because is not supported for iOS 14. Supported only for iOS 30. Okay, you can jailbreak normal and work. Now we make our iPhone in diagnostic mode. Just keep waiting to show diagnostic. Okay, after I showed diagnostic, we patch with our HFC. Okay, make sure you see here is detected. Don't start. You see here is detected iOS 14.6. Okay, you make sure you have connection because don't work without connection. Make sure you have connection in your Mac, and this way supported only for Mac. Only Mac, Windows not supported. Okay, make sure your device now is in diagnostic, then we come and click to start patch. Okay, it will patch this way work perfectly. You see successful patch, and now you can jailbreak without passcode and description. Now you can jailbreak normal without making diagnostic again. Just how to do that, you click OK, then you close and click there and make our iPhone in recover mode. We make in recover mode again, then jailbreak without making diagnostic. This way work perfectly 100%. Okay, if you are new to my channel, subscribe now, like, share, comment to see our update video. Okay, this way work, you can start all the volume up. Okay, now it will jailbreak and it will work perfectly 100% without making diagnostic. Now we have released all buttons, then we keep waiting for the jailbreak. I hope this way work perfectly and it will work 100% without problem. This is a way how you can jailbreak your passcode device, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, iOS 40 or till to latest iOS. Okay, do you see now it's done? You can now, if you are already all done, you can do from of everything work. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you soon come back with other asks. Okay, keep for our channel, share, comment, like, and don't forget to make comment and to make your in our group. Okay, thanks. I hope I will be back with other asks for iPhone and Android device. Okay, thanks bro, thanks, ciao.